हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू PCS सक्सेसफुल। सो अभी हम कवर करने वाले हैं एडुटेरिया करंट अफेयर्स। मैं इसमें सारा बुक फिनिश करूँगी इन 4 to 5 पार्ट्स, 4 से 5 पार्ट्स में ये बुक फिनिश हो जाएगी। ऑलरेडी मैंने जनवरी 2022 से जुलाई 2022 का वीडियो पोस्ट कर दिया है, वो आप जाकर देख सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक प्रोवाइडेड होगा, आप सारे वीडियोज़ को जाकर जो मैंने अपलोड ऑलरेडी कर दिया वहाँ से आप देख ले। बाकी जो रेस्ट बचा हुआ है इस बुक का पार्ट, वो मैं 4 से 5 वीडियो में फिनिश करूँगी। और इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए जो करंट अफेयर्स है उसके लिए रिसोर्सेज मैं बिहार की बात कर रही हूँ तो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है। तो अगर एडुटेरिया का इंग्लिश मीडियम जो लोग भी चाहते हैं कि उसका वीडियो बने तो उनके लिए ये वीडियो परफेक्ट है। मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स को थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन करने की भी कोशिश करूँगी ताकि आपको अच्छे से सारे पॉइंट्स इसमें जो दिए हुए हैं करंट अफेयर्स के वो समझ में आ जाए। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, आगे बढ़ने के पहले अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ विच पंचायत हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट कार्बन न्यूट्रल पंचायत ऑफ इंडिया? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ पाली पंचायत, जम्मू कश्मीर में है ये पहला फर्स्ट कार्बन न्यूट्रल पंचायत बना है। ओके, और इसने जो गोल पाली पंचायत है, सो कार्बन न्यूट्रल गोल जो कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज़ 26 यानी ग्लासगो स्कॉटलैंड में जो हुआ था उसमें 4 गोल्स थे। सो पहला था ग्रीन हाउस गैस रिडक्शन टारगेट, एक गोल है उसका। सो उस टारगेट को ये फुलफिल करता है, ठीक है, ग्रीन हाउस गैस रिडक्शन टारगेट। और कौन सा पहला पंचायत है? जम्मू कश्मीर का पाली विलेज। नेक्स्ट, विच बिकेम द फर्स्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन इंडिया टू ओपन अ लाइब्रेरी इन एवरी विलेज, तो वो है जामताड़ा, झारखंड। Next, which became the first district to open library in every panchayat? So previous one was village and next is panchayat. So when panchayat will be asked, it will be Purnia, Bihar. Okay. Next, India's first pure green hydrogen plant was commissioned by Oil India Limited in which state? So it's Assam. What is green hydrogen? अब green hydrogen से what do you understand from green hydrogen? So green hydrogen उसे कहते हैं जैसे that is generated by renewable energy. Okay, एक होता है ग्रे हाइड्रोजन वो होता है that is generated by fossil fuels, ठीक है, उसमें काफ़ी कार्बन एमिशन होते हैं, then that is called as grey hydrogen. And green hydrogen it is generated by renewable energy, so carbon emission is highly reduced. Okay, next 5 number. In which city India's first portable solar rooftop system was inaugurated? So solar rooftop system was inaugurated first in Gandhinagar. Next, which first Persian newspaper of India has completed 200 years? So Persian newspaper that has completed 200 years and it's Miratul Akhbar. Okay, so अब हम बात करें कि पहला हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर। सो पहला हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर जो पब्लिश हुआ था इंडिया में उसका नाम क्या था? तो उसका नाम था उदंत मार्तंड। ये आप लिख सकते हैं, बीपीएससी में इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं। उदंत मार्तंड मतलब कि द राइजिंग सन, ठीक है। ये एक वीकली न्यूज़पेपर था, 1826 में कोलकाता में पब्लिश हुआ था 1826 में। एंड किसके हु पब्लिश्ड इट? तो इट वाज पब्लिश्ड बाय पंडित जुगल किशोर शुक्ला। एंड जुगल किशोर शुक्ला को हम फादर ऑफ हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर भी बोलते हैं, हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर या फिर हिंदी जर्नलिज्म, पंडित जुगल किशोर शुक्ला, ठीक है। अब इसी में एक चीज़ और देख लेते हैं, जैसे कि फर्स्ट हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ बिहार, तो वो है बिहार बंधु, ठीक है। 1872 में स्टार्ट किया गया था। केशवराम भट्ट और बालकृष्णा भट्ट, ये 2 महाराष्ट्रियन ब्राह्मण थे, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था और बिहार शरीफ में ये सेटल थे। इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था बिहार बंधु 1872 में। ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट है कि फर्स्ट इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ बिहार, तो फर्स्ट इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर कौन सा था? द बिहार हेराल्ड, 1875 में स्टार्ट हुआ था। गुरु प्रसाद सेन ने इसे स्टार्ट किया था, द बिहार हेराल्ड। ओके, अभी कुछ क्वेश्चन जैसे सर्च लाइट से पूछा गया था कि सर्च लाइट न्यूज़पेपर स्टार्ट करने वाले कौन थे? तो मुरली मनोहर प्रसाद। फिर था मदरलैंड, ये 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इनसे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं। तो मदरलैंड किसने स्टार्ट किया था? मजहरुल हक ने। 1918 में मदरलैंड न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश हुआ था, ठीक है, फ्रॉम सदाकत आश्रम। ओके, और अगर हम बात करें फर्स्ट उर्दू न्यूज़पेपर, तो उसका था क्या नाम, नूरुल अनवर, किसके द्वारा ये पब्लिश किया गया था, तो मोहम्मद हासिम। ओके, अब आगे देखते हैं। 7. विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू स्टार्ट कार्बन न्यूट्रल फार्मिंग। कार्बन न्यूट्रल फार्मिंग स्टार्ट करने वाला फर्स्ट स्टेट कौन सा है, तो वो है केरला। ओके, कार्बन न्यूट्रल फार्मिंग। विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट, अच्छा कार्बन न्यूट्रल फार्मिंग, कार्बन न्यूट्रल से क्या मतलब है, तो कार्बन न्यूट्रल मतलब जितना कार्बन एमिशन हो रहा है उतना ही ज़्यादा उसे रिड्यूस यानी एब्जॉर्ब करने का कोई सिस्टम हो जिस वजह से जो बैलेंस हो जाए, बैलेंसिंग ऑफ द कार्बन एमिशन, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज कार्बन न्यूट्रल। ओके, सो कार्बन न्यूट्रल फार्मिंग स्टार्ट करने वाला पहला स्टेट है केरला। नेक्स्ट, विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू रिकॉर्ड इट्स क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन पैटर्न इंडेक्स, एंड द स्टेट इज़ तेलंगाना। I will be quite fast so that we can finish it in a limited time. India's largest lithium ion battery plant was opened in which state? So lithium ion battery plant is opened in Gujarat. Where is the India's first tribal health observatory is being set up? So India's first tribal health observatory is being set up in Odisha. 11. Which company will build India's first indigenous hydrogen fueled electric ship? So India's first hydrogen fueled electric ship will be built by Cochin Shipyard Limited. 12. Where was the India's first center of excellence for Khadi inaugurated? So Center for Excellence for Khadi has been inaugurated in New Delhi. Next, India's first state to launch commercial drone service in healthcare sector. So in healthcare sector, commercial drone service is launched by Uttarakhand. Which village has become the first village of honey in India? So village of honey, it is Manghad village, Maharashtra. Manghad village, Maharashtra. Where is the first Khadi center of excellence is being opened in India? Khadi center of excellence is being opened in New Delhi, India. Which company has become the first Indian company to register annual revenue of more than $100 billion? Okay, and the country is company is Reliance Industries. Okay, next, 17. Who became the first Indian woman to scale 5 peaks above 800 meters? And it's Priyanka Mohite. Next, where was India's first greenfield grain-based ethanol plant inaugurated? And the first greenfield grain-based ethanol plant has been inaugurated in Purnia, Bihar, and on which date? 30th April 2022. Next, which state cabinet has approved India's first gene bank program? So it has been first gene bank program has been launched by Maharashtra government. And what is gene bank program? So gene bank program, its aim is to conserve native biodiversity, like transferring the current resources to the future generation by conserving the प्लांट, सीड्स, पॉलन एट्सेट्रा, ठीक है, वो सब कंजर्व करके रखा जाएगा सो दैट द फ्यूचर जनरेशन कुड ऑल्सो विटनेस द व्हाट वी आर विटनेसिंग इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट, विच स्टेट हैज़ लॉन्च द फर्स्ट डिजिटल बस विथ टैप इन टैप आउट फैसिलिटी? सो टैप इन टैप आउट फैसिलिटी बस सर्विसेज हैज़ बिन लॉन्च्ड इन Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, and for this facility, Chalo smart cards, Chalo. So if question will be asked that Chalo smart cards has been launched by which state? So Chalo smart card, it is related to tap in tap out facility and it is launched in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, in which state was the first flying training academy of the Northeast state started? So first flying training academy of Northeast has been started in Assam. Next, which city became the first Indian city to be part of the Global Silk City Network? So Global Silk City Network का part बना है बेंगलुरु. Okay, so Global Silk City Network में मैंने कुछ साइट्स में लिख दिए हैं ताकि आप उसको देखकर समझ सकें. सो 9 कंट्रीज सिल्क सिटी नेटवर्क के पार्ट हैं और 13 सिटीज़, 9 countries and 13 cities are part of Global Silk City Network. Okay, and Bengaluru is one of them. Also Murshidabad is being considered to be part of this network. Next, India's first World Peace Center will be established in which city? World Peace Center. Okay, so World Peace Center is being established in Gurugram, Haryana, and which organization is going to establish it, and it's Ahimsa Vishwa Bharati. ठीक है. Next, which company has launched India's first full-fledged e-commerce platform for industrial product? So it is launched by L&T. Next, first state in northeast region to start online building permission system. So online building permission system is launched by Sikkim. Next, in which temple complex India's first portable solar roof system was inaugurated? So previously we have seen first portable rooftop system has been installed in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and there only Swami Narayan Akshardham temple is the first temple where first portable solar roof system was inaugurated. Next, which city has become the first city in India to adopt vacuum based sewer system? So vacuum based sewer system has been adopted by Agra. Next, what is the name of India's first dairy community radio station inaugurated by Prime Minister in Gujarat? So it's Dudhwani. First dairy community radio station is Dudhwani. Next, which has become the first state in India to implement dynamic maps for villages? And dynamic maps for villages has been introduced by Bihar. So land survey, in the upcoming land survey, this dynamic map for villages will be used in Bihar. Next, steel slag road made of steel waste was built in which city of India? So steel slag road, steel slag, so this is part of Waste to Wealth campaign and Clean India campaign. ठीक है. So steel slag is waste in the process of manufacturing of steel. Okay, so with waste road is being constructed, and in Surat the first steel slag road has been constructed. Next, which has become the first state in India to formulate agricultural export policy? So agricultural export policy has been formulated first by Maharashtra. Next, where was India's first radio channel Radio Ux launched for visually impaired people? So Radio Ux, it is for visually impaired people, and it is launched in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Next, which state has become the first state in India to develop a migration tracking system app to track the movement of migration worker? So migration tracking system app is launched by Maharashtra. Next, which has become the first district in India to cover 100% household under Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana? So it's Samba district, Jammu and Kashmir. So first district of India to cover 100% household under Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana is Samba district, Jammu and Kashmir. And if we talk about Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana, it was launched in Ranchi on 23rd September 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, where was the India's first Skill India International Center launched? So Skill India International Center was launched in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next, where was India's first International Financial Services Center being established? So first International Financial Services Center is established in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Next, which state has become the first state to set up India's first L-Root server to promote e-governance? So it is set up by Rajasthan government, okay, at Bhamasa State Data Center. Also, what is L-Root server? So its benefit will be that uninterrupted internet supply will be provided. Next, Indian Railway collaborated with whom to develop the first indigenously built Hyperloop system in India? So Indian Railway has incorporated with IIT Madras for first Hyperloop system in India, indigenously built. Next, where has the world first nano urea plant been inaugurated? So first nano urea plant has been inaugurated in Gujarat. Urea, it is also known as carbamide. Formula NH2CO NH2. Next, where is the country's tallest medical tower being built? So country's tallest medical tower is being built in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Next, where is the North India's first industrial biotech park being built? So North India's first industrial biotech park is being built in Kathua, Jammu and Kashmir. Next, where will the country's first heritage center be built for Indian Air Force? So it will be built in Chandigarh. Next, which state has become the first state in India to approve drone policy? So Himachal Pradesh has become the first state to approve drone policy. Next, the first private train was run by the Indian Railway under the Bharat Gaurav scheme between Coimbatore to Shirdi. We will know about Bharat Gaurav scheme later in this video. So Coimbatore to Shirdi. Next, which has become the first state in India to start the Balika Panchayat? So Balika Panchayat has been started in Gujarat. Next, India's first agricultural land price index was launched by which institute? So it is launched by Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, IIM Ahmedabad. Next, which has become the first airport in India to use hybrid power project? So hybrid power project means combination of two type of power sources like wind and solar. So it's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. Next, who has become the first woman fighter helicopter of India, fighter helicopter pilot of India, and its captain Abhilasha Pathak. Next, which has become the first airline in Asia to use indigenous navigation system Gagan? So Gagan it stands for GPS aided geo augmentation system, and it has been designed by ISRO and AAI, Airport Authority of India. Which state has, and the answer is Indigo. Indigo has become the first airline to use Gagan system. Next, which state has recorded the highest number of bird species in Himalayan bird count? So it's Uttarakhand. Next, the first Indian writer to be awarded the International Booker Prize, so it's Gitanjali Sri. Next, in which Baltic country India is opening an embassy for the first time? So it's Lithuania, and there are 3 Baltic countries, okay, and other 2 are Estonia and Latvia, okay. And why it is called Baltic countries? So it is located by Baltic Sea, and also during First World War, after it was separated, these 3 countries were separated from USSR, and from then it is known as Baltic countries. Next, which has become the first country in the world to postpone the COVID-19 vaccination program? So it's Denmark. Denmark has postponed it COVID-19 vaccination program. Next, in which country the first human case of new strain of bird flu H3N8 was detected? So it's China or kahan. Next, with which country did Maldives jointly unveil the navigation chart for the first time? And it's India. India and Maldives jointly unveil the navigation chart. Next, which company has released the world first crypto enabled payment card? And it's Nexo. Next, which country has become the first country in the world to give legal rights to wild animal? So it's Ecuador. Ecuador has become the first country to give legal rights to wild animals. Next, Asia's largest Buddhist theme park, Buddhavanam, was inaugurated in which state? So it's Buddhavanam has been inaugurated in Telangana. Next, in which country the world's longest suspension bridge, Sky Bridge 721, was opened for tourists? So it's Sky Bridge 721, it is located in Czech Republic. Next, in which country world's longest glass bottom bridge has been opened for the public? So longest glass bridge, it's in Vietnam. Next, the world's largest 3-wheeler electric factory is being set up in which state? So it is set up in Telangana by which company? Bility. Next, at which pass did BRO announce the construction of the world's highest tunnel? So it's Sinkula Pass. Next, which country has announced to set up the world's largest petroleum research center? And it's Kuwait. Next, which country has become the second country to recognize Bitcoin as its official currency? So it's Central African Republic. First कौन था? El Salvador. Next, which has become the first Asian country to join NATO cyber defense unit? So South Korea joined NATO cyber defense unit. Next, who has become the first black woman in American history to serve in the Supreme Court of America? And it's Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. Next, which has become the first country in the world to make 21-day quarantine mandatory for patients suffering from monkeypox virus? So it's Belgium. Next, where was the world's first taxi flying airport? Vertiport being opened, and it's England, first taxi flying airport in England. Next, which has been declared as the world's most noise polluting city? So most noise polluting city is Dhaka, Bangladesh. 70. Scientist of which university has achieved the feat for germinating seed in the soil brought from moon for the first time in the world? And it's University of Florida, USA. Next, which country researchers have confirmed the presence of microplastic in human blood? And it's Netherlands. Next, ISRO announced a mission to Venus by which year? So mission to Venus has been announced by the year 2024 in December. Venus, so mission to Venus is named as Sukriyaan 1, and it will start in December 2024. Next, so Sukriyaan, it will study the surface and the atmosphere of Venus. Next, the largest radio galaxy ever detected by European as astronomers was named, it's Alcyonius. Next, as per NASA, International Space Station will fall in the Pacific Ocean at Point Nemo by which year? So this space station, International Space Station, will fall in Pacific Ocean at Point Nemo in January 2031. Which country has successfully test fired the world's first energy based weapon system, Iron Beam? The first of its kind is laser missile defense system. So it's launched by Israel. Which has become the first country to approve the use of Covifenj, the world first plant-based COVID-19 vaccine? So it's Canada. Covifenj is first plant-based COVID-19 vaccine. Next, first state of India to set up L-Root server to provide uninterrupted internet access, it's Rajasthan. Next, where has been the India's first polycentric prosthetic knee? Kadam. It's named as Kadam, launched. It's in IIT Madras. Where is the India's first display fabrication unit being set up to increase semiconductor production? So in Hyderabad. Next, where has been Asia's largest and India's first liquid mirror telescope established? So it's at Nainital Devasthal Observatory, Uttarakhand. Next, India won the Thomas Cup for the first time in history by defeating which country? So by defeating Indonesia. Okay, so Indonesia won this Thomas Cup for record 14 times, most of the time, and Thomas Cup is related to badminton championship. Next, who has become the first Indian to win a gold medal in Junior World Weightlifting Championship? And it's Harshad Sarad Garuda. Next, who has become the first Indian wrestler to win 3 consecutive gold medal in all 3 consecutive Asian Wrestling Championship 2020, 2021 and 2022? It's Ravi Dahiya. Next, which team has won the first Indian Super League trophy in 2022? So it's football. इंडियन सुपर लीग किससे रिलेटेड है? फुटबॉल से, एंड द विनर इज हैदराबाद फुटबॉल क्लब. नेक्स्ट, विच टीम वॉन द फर्स्ट IPL ट्रॉफी 2020? सो इट्स गुजरात टाइटन. इट वॉन इट्स फर्स्ट IPL ट्रॉफी in 2022, beating Rajasthan Royals. Next, which ministry has announced the India's first national air sports policy? And this policy is announced by Union Civil Aviation Ministry. Next, who became the first Indian to reach 200 million followers on social media platform Instagram? So it's Virat Kohli. Next, in the games organized in Finland, Neeraj Chopra made his longest distance record by throwing javelin for how many meters? So it's 89.3 meter. Next, who has become 30 meter? Who has become the fifth Indian woman to win a gold medal in the Women's World Boxing Championship? So it's Nikhat Jareen. Next, where has the 24th Summer Deaf Olympic Games been organized for the deaf players? So it's in Brazil, and India stood at 9th place. Next, India's first metropolitan city to prepare people's biodiversity register. So it's Kolkata. Next, India's first conservation park for donkeys. Conservation park for donkeys is being set up in which city? So it's in Leh. Next, rough-toothed dolphin was first seen in India, and it is seen in Lakshadweep. On which mountain peak did the National Geographic Society set up world highest weather station? So world highest weather station has been set up at Mount Everest. Next, where has been the India's first EV charging station powered by biogas or food waste launched? So it launched in Mumbai. Where has the India's first combination of wind and solar hybrid plant started? So it has been started in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Where has India's first Amrit Sarovar been ready for water conservation and rejuvenation of water bodies? So it's in Rampur, Uttar Pradesh, Amrit Sarovar. Which has become the first state to cross 10 gigawatt solar power capacity? So it's Rajasthan. Where will India's first dark sky reserve be built? So it will be built in Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary, Ladakh, and at Hanley Observatory. Next, North India's first bamboo village will be built in which state? So bamboo village will be built in Himachal Pradesh. Now coming to the chapter 2 of this book, यहाँ पे दिए हुए national festivals. So let's have a look at them. So first one is Kharchi festival. So Kharchi festival of which state? Tripura. जुलाई मंथ में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, एंड त्रिपुरी ट्राइब इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, एंड 14 गॉड्स आर बीइंग वर्शिप्ड. प्राइमरली अर्थ इज बीइंग वर्शिप्ड इन खर्ची फेस्टिवल. नेक्स्ट, मैंगो फेस्टिवल लखनऊ में होता है. अम्बुबाची फेयर असम में होता है, गॉडेस कामाख्या मंदिर जो है वहाँ पर होता है. बाइखो फेस्टिवल, सो इट इज़ कंडक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ जून इन असम बाय रभा ट्राइब. Lavender festival in May, Jammu and Kashmir. Thrissur Puram festival in Kerala. Sirui Lili festival in Manipur, and Rongali Bohag Bihu festival in Assam. So with Bihu you can relate Assam. Madhavpur fair in पोरबंदर गुजरात. सो माधवपुर फेयर से एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि लॉर्ड कृष्णा एंड रुक्मणी जो वो दोनों की शादी हुई थी उसी को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं माधवपुर फेयर में, ठीक है. और रुक्मिणी वो बिलोंग करती थी अरुणाचल प्रदेश साइड से, तो वो मिसमी ट्राइब रिलेटेड है माधवपुर फेयर से. नेक्स्ट, सरहुल फेस्टिवल कहाँ होता है? झारखंड में, इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, एंड मेनली ट्री वर्शिप किया जाता है सरहुल फेस्टिवल में, साल ट्री. नेक्स्ट, नेशनल कल्चर फेस्टिवल कहाँ होता है? आंध्र प्रदेश. कंबाला फेस्टिवल ये बफेलो रेस होता है कर्नाटका में. डोल यात्रा वेस्ट बंगाल में होली की तरह मनाया जाता है, गुलाल वगैरह फेंक कर डोल यात्रा वेस्ट बंगाल में. नेक्स्ट, अच्छा, डोल यात्रा का भी सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है कि ये राधा और कृष्ण उनका जो राधा कृष्ण का जो अफेक्शन था उसके लिए मनाया जाता है डोल यात्रा. नेक्स्ट, हेरत फेस्टिवल ये कहाँ है? तो ये जम्मू कश्मीर में है और शिवरात्रि से एक दिन पहले होता है ये जम्मू कश्मीर में. हेरत फेस्टिवल कश्मीरी पंडित का फेस्टिवल है. नेक्स्ट है स्पिटुक गुस्टोर फेस्टिवल लद्दाख. रथ सप्तमी आंध्र प्रदेश, एंड तोड़गिया फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश. मोनपा ट्राइब जो है वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, तवांग वैली में होता है ये तोड़गिया फेस्टिवल. नेक्स्ट,
कंचोट फेस्टिवल जम्मू कश्मीर, कंचोट भी जम्मू कश्मीर में है, ठीक है। कंचोट फेस्टिवल जैसे तीज हो गया, करवा चौथ हो गया, उस टाइप का फेस्टिवल है कंचोट फेस्टिवल। नेक्स्ट लोसार फेस्टिवल, ये होता है लद्दाख में। फिर है लुसुंग या फिर इसको नामसुंग फेस्टिवल भी कहते हैं, सिक्किम में भूटिया ट्राइब मनाते हैं इसको। कच्चाई लेमन फेस्टिवल मणिपुर, जल्लीकट्टू फेस्टिवल तमिलनाडु, शिल्पग्राम फेस्टिवल उदयपुर, हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल नागालैंड एंड पुष्कर महोत्सव जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, पुष्कर महोत्सव जम्मू कश्मीर। इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल पणजी गोवा। अहारबल फेस्टिवल, ठीक है, अहारबल एक पहली बार फेस्टिवल कंडक्ट हुआ है जम्मू कश्मीर में और ये टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन के लिए इसे सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। अहारबल जो एक वाटरफॉल है और इसे नियाग्रा फॉल ऑफ इंडिया भी कहा जाता है अहारबल को। नेक्स्ट चेरी ब्लॉसम फेस्टिवल मेघालय, बोईता वंदना महोत्सव ओडिशा। एप्पल फेस्टिवल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, इंटरनेशनल एप्पल फेस्टिवल उत्तराखंड। सो एप्पल फेस्टिवल जम्मू कश्मीर, इंटरनेशनल एप्पल फेस्टिवल उत्तराखंड। हिमालयन फिल्म फेस्टिवल लेह, बुन्नालू फेस्टिवल तेलंगाना, हरेला फेस्टिवल उत्तराखंड। ये हरेला से देख सकते हैं इन्वायरमेंट कंजर्वेशन से रिलेटेड है ये हरेला उत्तराखंड। नेक्स्ट रज फेस्टिवल ओडिशा, रजा पर्बा मिथुन संक्रांति ओडिशा। सजिबू चिराउबा फेस्टिवल मणिपुर, सिग्मो फेस्टिवल गोवा, सांकेन वाटर फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश, काला नमक राइस फेस्टिवल सिद्धार्थनगर यूपी, जैगरी फेस्टिवल लखनऊ यूपी, बनाना फेस्टिवल कुशीनगर यूपी एंड कन्नुमा फेस्टिवल ये संक्रांति फेस्टिवल हो गया आंध्र प्रदेश का। नेक्स्ट अब हम देखते हैं प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन का सेक्शन। इसमें मैं रीड आउट कर दूंगी सारे जो यूपी पीएससी का है, बीपीएससी 67 जो कैंसिल हुआ, सीडीपीओ सारे हैं और रेलवेज के हैं। ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स 2022? इट्स 136। According to the annual report 2020-21, the Ministry of Mines, which two states are the major producer of iron ore in India? So it's Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Odisha top में है iron ore producer. Next, who has won the women's single title in the Syed Modi International Tournament held in January 2022? So ये जीता है पीवी सिंधु ने। विथ रेफरेंस टू द 45th वर्ल्ड ब्रिज चैम्पियनशिप द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज आर द। सो क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है यहाँ पर। सो दिस चैम्पियनशिप वॉज हेल्ड इन इटली, 45th वर्ल्ड ब्रिज चैम्पियनशिप। इंडियन टीम वॉन सिल्वर मेडल इन दिस गेम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। नेक्स्ट, which watershed development project is sponsored by the central government of India which aims to enable the rural population to conserve water? And it's Hariyali. Next, the correct statement regarding valuable IT is Accenture is the most valuable IT brand globally in 2022 and TCS Global IT Services stood at number 2 in the all brand in 2022. Next, which countries are in descending order on the basis of Human Development Index 2022? It's Hong Kong, Australia, Japan and Russia. सबसे ऊपर है Hong Kong. Next, in the context of India Smart City Award Competition 2020 given in April 2022, the correct match is Culture, Indore, Government, Vadodara, Social Aspects, Tirupati and Urban Environment, Bhopal. Smart City Awards. So the first airport in India to be powered by solar energy is, so it's Cochin. Who was the winner of Miss World 2021 held in Puerto Rico in March 2022? So it's Carolina Bilvaska. Next, LBS is one of the economic action taken by the government of India for financial inclusion. What is LBS in this perspective? Leading banking scheme. Next, where is the World Health Organization going to set up a global center for traditional medicine? So it's in Jamnagar, Gujarat. Next, the correct statement regarding Lata Mangeshkar is she was the first Indian artist to perform at the Royal Albert Hall in London. Next, her first program on the international stage was held in Royal Albert Hall in London. 14. Which player of India has won the gold medal in the men's 200-meter butterfly swimming event in Copenhagen in April 2022? So, Sajjan Prakash. Next, according to the India State of Forest Report 2021, which state has recorded maximum increase in forest area in the last 2 years? So, it's Andhra Pradesh. Maximum increase in Andhra Pradesh. Now, next, according to the Global Business Cities Index of January 2020, which city is the top commercial city in the world? So, it's Hong Kong. Who has become the first woman president of Tanzania in April 2022? Samia Suluhu Hassan. Samia Suluhu Hassan, first woman president of Tanzania. Next, what is the name of single window entrance test for undergraduate admission in Central University in the year 2022 and 3? So, it's CUET. 19. According to the Annual Frontier Report 2022 released by the United Nations Environment Programme, which city of India is the world's second most noise polluted? So, it's Moradabad. Next, first one is Dhaka. Which famous building of New Delhi has been converted into Prime Minister Museum? So, it's Teen Murti Bhavan. Which are the top 3 performing state of India under the State Energy and Climate Index Niti Aayog announced on 10 April 2022. So, it's Gujarat, Kerala and Punjab. Next, who hold the record of the longest space travel by a NASA astronaut at the International Space Station? So, he is Mark Van Hey. Next, under which operation the medical students of India were brought from Ukraine to India by the government of India? So, कौन सा ऑपरेशन था? ऑपरेशन गंगा. Which state of India has inaugurated the country's first digital water data bank aquarium in April 2020 for clean water and water security? So, aquarium, it is launched by Karnataka. Next, in the context of Make in India program, the true statement are: Make in India program was started in the year 2014. Okay. Its objective is to encourage companies to manufacture in India and facilitate investment. Next, which statement is true about BIMSTEC? So, PM Narendra Modi addressed the 5th BIMSTEC summit on March 30, 2022. 5th BIMSTEC summit was chaired by India. It's wrong. So, it is chaired by, I think, Sri Lanka. Next, what is the Partygate scandal of United Kingdom? This is related to the violation of COVID-19 norms by the British Prime Minister's office. Who is the target group under Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana? So, target group is street vendors. Who signed the agreement to resolve the Assam Meghalaya border dispute in March 2022? So, CM of Assam and Meghalaya. Which country roped the world in steel production beginning of the year 2022? So, it's China. Next, Jal Jeevan Mission scheme was announced in the union budget of which financial year? So, Jal Jeevan Mission in 2021-22. Sinovac given for COVID-19 is virus vaccine. The correct statement regarding the proposed Commonwealth Games in 2022 and 2026 is: the Commonwealth Games will be held in Birmingham in July-August 2022. The Commonwealth Games will be held in Victoria, Australia 2026. Both are correct. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India has announced to make Dolphin Day, which will be celebrated on. So, Dolphin Day will be celebrated on 5th October. Now, coming to this BPSC CDPO question. So, first one is: who supported the abrogation of Article 370? So, among the different parties, BSP supported it. Who supported the Citizenship Amendment Bill? JDU. So, which political party supported the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 in Rajya Sabha? So, the option in this question was JDU, INC, RJD एंड BSP एंड इसमें चारों गलत है क्योंकि JDU वर्कआउट किया था, INC, RJD और BSP सपोर्ट नहीं किया था. नेक्स्ट, गोजी ओकोंजो Iweala is the first woman in the world and also the first woman in Africa to be appointed as the president of the World Trade Organization. Which country does she belong to? So she belongs to Nigeria. Next, what is the new name given by Taliban by changing the name of Afghanistan? So it's Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Now Afghanistan is known as Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Who has won the US Open men's single Grand Slam of the year 2021 by defeating the Serbian and world number 1 player? So it's Daniel Medvedev, Russia. Next, which pharmaceutical company, biotechnology company, produces the Covishield vaccine in India? So it's Serum Institute of India Private Limited. Next, what is CPEC project? So it's China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Next, on August 8, 2020, India's first Kisan Rail started the journey between which two stations? So it's Devlali to Danapur. Devlali, Maharashtra and Danapur, Bihar. Which person from Bihar was presented the Padma Bhushan Award on Jan 26, 2021? So it was presented to Ram Vilas Paswan. Next, on January 26, 2021, how many people of Bihar were awarded Padma Awards in different fields? So 4. 4 awards have been given. Next, Indian Foundation in collaboration with Nalanda University organized the 5th World Dhamma conference on 27 to 28 July 2019 in which city? So it was organized in Rajgir. How many medals did India win in Tokyo Paralympics held in August and September 2021? So India won 19 medals and in Tokyo Olympics it won 7 medals. So what is the Central Vista Redevelopment Project? So Central Vista Redevelopment Project is a project related to the ongoing redevelopment for the revival of the Central Administrative Area near Raisina Hills, New Delhi. Next, world highest railway bridge is being built over which river? So it is being built over Chenab River. Who started the One Nation One Ration Card scheme under the National Food Security Act? Ram Vilas Paswan, former Union Minister. Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0 scheme is related to vaccination of every child and every pregnant woman. In which state the 900-year-old Buddhist monastery has been unearthed by the Archaeological Department of India? So it has been unearthed in Jharkhand. Which is the only city in India that has been recognized as the tree city of the world in the year 2020 for its commitment to increasing maintaining urban forests? So it's Hyderabad. Next, which capital was found most polluted according to the World Air Quality Report 2020? So it's New Delhi. Next, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was renamed after which player? Major Dhyan Chand. Which country has won the most gold medal in the scheduled Tokyo Olympics 2020 in the year 2021? So by USA. USA won most of the medal, 39 gold. Which is the first country in the world which has provided free sanitary product to all women in the country? So it's Scotland. Which Arab country launched its spacecraft Hope Orbiter Al Amal to Mars in the year 2020 under the Mars mission? So it's UAE. Next, Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, also known as Quad, is a group of countries. So it's a group of India, USA, Australia and Japan. Next, who decided to award the Nobel Peace Prize? So it is decided by Nobel Committee of Norway. Next, which country has the largest reserve of coal? USA. USA has largest reserve of coal. The largest producer of wheat in 2020 was China. Which country is the largest producer of electronics? So it's also China. Which crop had the highest area in India in 2020? It's rice. Next, which state has the largest deposit of copper ore? So in Rajasthan. Next, अब आ जाते हैं 67 BPSC का एग्ज़ाम जो हुआ था उस पर. From which date India started its 2-year term as a non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council? So 1st Jan 2021. Which country exported Sputnik 5 COVID vaccine to India? So it's Russia. Joe Biden has assumed the office as the 46th President of India. 46th. Who was the foreign chief guest of Republic Day Parade 2021? No one, due to COVID. Who is the permanent representative of India in the UN? T.S. Trimurti. Currently Ruchira Kamboj. पहले थे T.S. Trimurti, अभी है रुचिरा कंबोज. Next, Covishield India COVID vaccine, which has been approved by WHO, is manufactured by Serum Institute. What is the length of Atal Tunnel, Rohtang, Himachal Pradesh? 9.02 km. In which year the railway budget was merged with general budget in India? So in 2017. What is the purpose of Citizenship Amendment Act? So purpose is to provide citizenship to persecuted minority groups of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Next, Central Vista project refers to a new parliament with a common central secretariat, the residence of the Prime Minister and Vice President. Next, which union territory formed after the bifurcation of the state of Jammu and Kashmir has no legislature of its own? Ladakh. Jammu Kashmir has. Next, who is the Indian footballer to win the All India Football Federation Men's Player of the Year Award 2021? So, Sandesh Jhingan. On which date the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana was launched? It was launched on 1st February 2019. In which sport was the gold medal won for India in Olympics 2021? So, javelin throw, Neeraj Chopra. Next, how many medals India has won in Tokyo Paralympics? So, 19. Which date did India take over the presidency of United Nations Security Council? 1st August 2021. Who was the last American soldier to leave Kabul when America pulled its troops from Afghanistan? So, Major General Chris Donahue. Next, which French company supplied Rafale fighter jets to India? Dassault Aviation. When did the clash between India and Chinese soldiers take place in Galwan Valley? So, it took place in June 2020. Pegasus spyware has been developed in which country? So, it was developed in Israel. Who among the following is not a member of the 15th Finance Commission? So, it was Sudipto Mondale. Next, in the recent union budget, Finance Minister has increased the foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector from the present to how much? To 74%. According to the Union Budget 2021, what percentage of GDP has been estimated in the fiscal deficit 2021-2022? It's 6.8%. During which time period the second phase of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is to be implemented? So, it's from 2021 to 2024 to 25. Okay, that's all for today. Next we will do in the next video that will come soon. Thanks for watching. Video will become so lengthy, that's why I am making it short so that you all cannot skip it, and if you are going to skip the videos, then you are not going to benefit it from it. So, I will try to keep it short and make the multiple videos on this book so that you can complete the whole book. Thanks for watching.